Okay, so there's, there I am, flattering. There's train bridge construction going on, and before they take down my 100-year-old train bridge, I want it on film. So I'm gonna drive by, and I'm gonna put it out the window facing, so I can at least get some footage. It's probably not gonna be all good, but we'll see. We need to get some of it recorded, so you know it'll be gone. So while it's still here, we need to make sure we get this done. Okay, that's what we're doing. Yeah, so just I drive. Yeah, records it. Oh, I have to turn my wheel. Oh, this might not work. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Someone's looking to put it down. Oh, I didn't even think about turning my wheel and how that will affect things. How did I not think that? Well, hopefully we'll just be going straight. Straight. Oh, and we're going this way. Ah! I didn't plan that either. Oh my god, a train's coming by. Shut the fuck up. How do I get so lucky? How? Do you see it? It's coming. There's a train fucking coming. I don't know how we get this lucky, but we do. Yeah. Here it is. Train. Train. Yeah! That's awesome! It's God telling me you need to start making videos. Oh, look at that. That's gonna be helpful. Hey, that sucks then. Because if I stick it out the window, I can see. But that's all piled off. And now they have trucks up there. Everything. Guys working on the thing. I don't want this thing recording. They're gonna think I'm weird. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, so coming over the bridge here, it looks like a ghost town because they took all of the, I don't know what electrical part that's called, but they took all of it down because they are working. I should get out. I should pull over. They're not taking down the bridge yet. See? We're stuck behind these people. And that's it.